The battery's whistling. It's getting ready to explode, I think. I have water on my table. Something's whistling. All right. Definitely making a mess. I think there's something wrong with that battery. We'll be back. Now we're back. That battery is stinking hot. Okay, I'm gonna hook up my plug wire here. Do an ignition test. See how good our ignition is today. Okay, I'm going to spin the motor over a little bit. Should generate some oil pressure. Let's see if the battery's got any juice in it. We're doing a few tests. We don't have any oil in here, but I ain't worried about that right now. That's fine, shouldn't be any problem with that. Alright, let's see what happens here. Pull the cork out of the intake over here. Lights on. Appears we have any juice. So yeah, no juice at all at the start of a motor with nothing on it. Yeah. Alright. I'm going to kill this battery charger. Even though that thing is warm. That thing's 100 and something degrees, that battery. It is stinking hot. It's boiling it. It was only showing 6 amps there at the end. It was only showing 0 for forever. You know, it was even putting juice in until I looked down at it. But it's got that battery cooking. It's trying to explode right now. That thing is hot. I think it's very hot. It definitely is not going to help us start a bike up. As long as it doesn't explode before tomorrow, I'll be happy. Usually when things get like that, they're ready to go boom. It's got some internal shorting issues in that thing, I think. Alright, well, we're definitely not going to be starting the bike up. We're definitely not spinning it through right now. You won't even spin a motor through that has no plug in it. And only one cylinder. There's a problem there. It'll work for squat. Alright, so that battery is going to have to come out of there. And that thing is stinking hot. Get that thing out of before it explodes. Just what I need is exploding battery. Well, that thing is putting out some heat. I bet you that thing's over 150 degrees. That thing is hot. gotta get that out of the way. I gotta put a rag over that to keep it from there. That out of the way too. Cover it up so it doesn't drop anything in there. 9/16, 5/8. Fingers are getting a little numb on them. Probably got acid on them. Probably got a little bit of acid on the fingers. I'd be a bit surprised. Yeah, even this battery out with a fuel pump in here, I'm not even sure. We're definitely not racing without a battery, I know that. So this whole week for mute. I don't have a battery. I have to have this same one because it's what fits in here. Man, I think it's hot. There's one hot battery. Ooh, that's hot. Boy, she is warm. It's not whistling no more. Two. That's off. Okay, I gotta get in there with a wrench. Nuts on the back side. I used to come in through here, but I got a plate back here now. Yeah, I guess I get the fuel line out there. I gotta pull this pump out anyway, so I'll be back. I get acid on my fingers. I'm gonna go clean my hands. All right, we're back. Okay, let's this fuel line out of here. This thing had a bunch of water under it too. Lay it down there out of the way. Let's see. That is a big wrench on that thing. It's an 1/8 or 1/16. 1 inch even. Inch wrench. There we go. Pull this off. Don't need it on there anymore. That's my dirty rag. So. Ooh, nitro. You smell it. Is there any fuel in that tank still? Must be some residue. Must have a cut in my finger somewhere. It's burning. These are burning. Ooh, that is hot. Yep, just a little bit of nitro there. And fuel cover for that. Oh, well, we'll be all right. Tells a big load of nitro down there. Definitely could smell it and feel it on my fingers. Burning them. Worse than the battery acid. And there's somewhere in here there's a cut. I can really feel it. Oh, right in here. Oh yeah, there it is. It's stinging so much on this finger it feels like this one's hurting. Okay, that was that line. Let's see, can we get this thing all the way up out of the way? Yes, we can. There we go. one dedicated fuel line. Put that back on so it quits puking fuel everywhere. Alright, that'll work for now. It'll be in the way, but at least it's not leaking anymore. Run that nitro where all this acid is. See if the nitro will dissipate the acid. Nitro's a solvent too. It's an industrial solvent. That's what this stuff is. Cleans that oil tank really nice. That was my clean rag too. It cleans that tank right up. Look at that. It's good stuff. Oof. Yeah. Watch out for those fumes. Man, stinks. Good stuff. That's definitely good stuff. Let's clean off that fuel hose down here. We're at it. Make the inspectors happy. Nice and clean hose, no dirt on it. They're gonna be happy. Look at that. Man, that fumes are, nitro fumes are pretty stout. All right. We'll see what it does for acid too. Okay. Get my fingers off too. They're not sticky anymore. All right, 7/16. Fancy wrench. Get up here, see a little better. Nice if I could see a little bit too. Okay, so we need a little bit of lubricant on that. That thing has not been apart for a millennium. Alright, that might be long enough. We got in the way over. We got nitrous lines in the way. Yep. Okay, we're on it. The battery's colder on that side too. That's good. I'm thinking of the universal maybe. Just happen to have one on a setup here already. Oh, look at that. It was made for it. One of those deals you can see in there but can't get in there. Everything's in the way. Okay, that one can go back there. This one's up in the way. There we go. This slides off. It's supposed to just spread apart. That comes out. Okay, that should just slide on out of there. Okay. That's going outside the door. There it goes. It's out of there. More acid everywhere. We'll be back. I got some acid to clean. Alright, we're back. Cap up the tank here a little bit. Looks like we're close to what we need. I don't think any acid got on that. If so, we'll see it tomorrow. Alright. Fun day at Tatro machine. Bike got a whole hell of a lot lighter now. Those were 54 pounds, I think they said on the, I looked it up. Something like that. Anyway, there's a big hole there. You know, all that crap up under there, I didn't know I had in there. Yeah, it makes it easier to get this out now. That's got to come out. Alright, not today. Today or tomorrow, whatever. I'm not working anymore tonight. Alright, we're going to let this sit for a while, see what happens. Probably some water over there maybe, I'm not sure. Let's see what this thing does. Hopefully I can come up with a battery tomorrow. If not, we're not going to be racing because we need a battery to race. So, it's kind of hard to race without a battery. There, the bike won't fall over. I'm not used to this being so clean around here. This bike's way too clean. But, alright, we're getting there. So I got to pull the rear wheel out, change the tire for sure. Fuel pump really needs to be popped out and changed. I got that one up in the box over there, so hopefully it's the same one. Should be. Don't know if it's any good. Can't find my new one. I'm going to take a perusal through that mountain of crap over there and see if I can find some racing stuff. Somewhere I got jets and stuff. I need those badly. So I'm hoping in those 2 tins or some things there for sure, maybe. But I don't know. There's a lot of missing stuff. Alright, that's it for the night. So we worked on until almost 3 last night, or this morning. So here we got 3 again. So we started at what, 2, 3? Yeah, there we go. 13 hours. Not bad. Alright, that's it for that. Another day, I'll probably have it done. It's good, I only got 1 more day left. So, but got to find a battery. Alright, that's it for that for now.